Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Dear student, it's math class today and we will do work on math book page 9. Today we will do activity of counting objects. Are you ready? So let's begin. Count each set of objects and color the matching numbers. How many penguins are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now which number is correct answer? 9 or 10? Yes, 9 is the correct answer. Good job. Count and write the red circles on the spaceship. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 red circles on a spaceship and we will write here.